That's what it looks like. Unbox it. Oop. This is really cheap on e-bikezilla. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. So I guess the hose goes right here, and the screw goes right there, and it should fit right there. So this is the bolt and the clamp for the hose right here. So the one that Gritshift provided is longer, I guess, so you can secure it like that. So we'll find out if it actually works. So I was going to try to use the smaller bolt that came stock, but yeah, it's not gonna, yeah. And I figured it out. It is sideways. It is like this. Look at that. So the bolt goes right there, and then the hose goes underneath. I might have to cut it. So the finished product, that's what it looks like. That looks pretty cool. Hopefully I'll cut it. I don't know. I cut the hose probably halfway. These I would say, what is this thing? Brackets. I bent it with the pliers to curve, so it looks like that. So it's clipping the hose in place. It looks a lot cleaner. That looks cool. I tried to open this thing, but it's sealed in there, so any kind of moisture, it's not gonna get in, which is cool. I like it. Thumbs up, Gritshift, and e-bikezilla.